Our old classic Italian gelato recipe is healthier and more delicious than ice cream.
Without the heavy, fatty cream, gelato is not only healthier, but also more flavorful than ice cream.
If these ingredients look humongous, that's because I always have to make a double recipe since my family loves it so much. Later in this video, I show the written ingredients for both a single and double recipe. Simply puree 1 cup of strawberries with your blender for a single recipe. Puree 2 cups of strawberries for a double recipe. Place your pureed strawberries in the refrigerator overnight and mix them into your gelato the next day. Heat the milk in a medium saucepan just until bubbles form around the edge. Then remove from the burner. Do not boil. Pour the egg yolks and sugar into your stand mixer bowl or into a large mixing bowl if using a hand mixer. Beat the egg yolks and sugar for about 2 minutes at medium speed. The mixture should be thick and creamy. Add 2 little spoons of the hot milk into the egg mixture to temper the eggs so they do not curdle. Slowly pour in the remainder of the hot milk and beat until it's well mixed. Pour the mixture back into the saucepan and place on low-medium heat, stirring constantly for 7 to 10 minutes until the custard is thick enough to coat the back of your wooden spoon. If you have a thermometer, heat until it reaches 185 Fahrenheit to kill any possible salmonella in the eggs, but it should never come to full boil. Add the vanilla extract and stir until well mixed. Remove from heat. Transfer to a medium bowl. Straining the mixture is an option. I didn't strain mine. However, if you wish to ensure a perfectly silky, smooth gelato, simply pour the custard through a fine mesh strainer into a medium bowl. Cover with lid or cling wrap, let cool to room temperature, then refrigerate overnight. Use immediately when removed from the freezer. The bowl starts to defrost as soon as it is removed from the freezer. I'm adding 3 cups of custard because I will add 1 cup of puree later. I'm using a standard 4-cup machine and ice cream needs room to expand. Then, 20 minutes later, after the custard has risen, I'm adding 1 cup of strawberries puree. After the puree is mixed well with the custard, when the gelato becomes icy but still soft, stop the machine. Dip the gelato from the machine into an airtight container and freeze for approximately 2 hours until firm. Now you're ready to enjoy your gelato. Bon appétit!